Hey Bobcats, I have another question from Khan Academy on solving systems of equations by substitution. So I'm going to start by writing the problem out. Negative 7x minus 2y is equal to 14, and 6x plus 6y is equal to 18. Now I have had some questions from people wondering, how do I know which variable I should solve for to substitute in? Now, theoretically, you could solve for any variable, substitute in, and be able to find the solution. But some are a little user-friendly and some are not as user-friendly. For instance, if I look at this first equation, if I was going to solve for x, then I would add 2y to both sides. So this would be 2y plus 14. But then I would have to divide by negative 7. So I would have a negative 2/7 fraction in that equation. And while you can use that and it will work, it's going to be a little challenging. So I take a look down here at the second equation. To solve it, I would subtract 6y, and then I would divide by 6. Well, both 18 and 6 are divisible by 6, so that is going to be a lot easier for you to solve. So that's what I'm going to do. I am going to take 6x plus 6y equals 18, and I'm going to solve for x. So 6x is equal to negative 6y plus 18. Then I'll divide both sides by 6. And I get that x is equal to, this is going to be negative y plus 3. Now I'm going to take what x is now, what I know x to be, and I'm going to plug it in up here for x. So now when we have this equation, we're going to plug in negative y plus 3 for x. Okay, I'm going to distribute first. Negative divided by, or negative multiplied by a negative is a positive, so this will be 7y. Negative 7 times 3 is negative 21. Combine like terms, so 5y minus 21 is equal to 14. I'm going to add 21 to both sides. I get that 5y is equal to 35. And I'll divide both sides by 5, and I get that y is equal to 7. All right, you have one super valuable piece of information. We know that y is 7. Now I'm going to take 7 and plug it into the other equation to find out what x is. So let's see here. I'm going to have 6x plus 6 times 7 is equal to 18. And I will solve for x. Okay, this is negative 24. And I find that x is equal to negative 4. All right, there you have it. You have your x and your y, the solution to the system of linear equations. Although I would highly recommend that you take your x and your y and you plug it back into both equations to verify that it is correct. All right, Bobcats, keep the questions coming. Have a great day.